Today we're going to replace a headlight on a Hyundai Elantra. You're always going to want to make sure you have gloves on for the operation. Turn off the ignition, make sure that the light switch is also turned on. Once you do that, locate your hood latch, release. You're going to get the safety catch. Put your hood prop in place so it doesn't fall, hit you in the face. And in this case, you are going to need a flathead screwdriver. Once you're using this tool, if you have a battery next to you, make sure you do not lay down here. Best place to lay down is on the fender edge or over by the windshield. Why? Because if you touch this, if this is the positive or negative and you touch it with a live wire, you're going to have some sparky and make you jumpy. Okay, you're going to locate, this is your high beam and this is your low beam. So we're after the low beam. This one's very tight. You twist it, righty tighty, lefty loosey. And there's a notch in here where something flat can fit. This is the reason you need your screwdriver, because you need to put in here and put some pressure to release it. There we go. We're gonna put our cover up here so we do not lose it. Your headlight bulb sits in there like so. So we're gonna want to twist to make it go loose. You're gonna want to release, put some pressure on the bottom of the connector here, and you can push down with your other finger, with your index, push, and there we go. You have not let the connector loose. Here's the connector. Now when doing so, you're gonna want to grab the bottom of the light. You heard it click, and pull the headlight out bulb like so. And you can always inspect for the element to be damaged. So when it's back in there, when we put our new headlight bulb in there, we're gonna line it up and twist it into place. The new headlight bulb, we got this in Napa. You can probably get them on any auto parts store or Amazon. Buy them in pairs.
The bulb for the Hyundai Elantra is a 9005.
It's always better to buy them in pairs, and you can replace them in pairs. The lifespan is typically, if one goes out, the other one's not too far behind. When you pull it out of the box, you'll see that it comes with a protector on the glass. You're gonna want to make sure and not bang or hit or drop your new headlight bulb. So grab it from this area down here with your gloves. The oils in your hands, the natural oils that we produce, can make the headlight burn out prematurely. So keep it away from anything that's dusty or oily. If you have oil all over your engine compartment, clean it up. All right. So you're gonna want to find your hole and line it up to where you feel it settle and sink in. Twist, you hear the click, and then we're going to go ahead and place our connector. You can try to place the connector before putting the headlight bulb in, but it might give you a little bit of a hassle. So we heard it click in. Now we grab our cover here. We line this up and twist it close. That is how you replace a headlight bulb in your Hyundai Elantra. So just as an example, if we were doing this side, same thing happened here. You twist, now that it's broken loose. Make sure you don't drop that, otherwise you're going to be fishing. So you stick your hand in here, put your thumb or your index finger at the bottom of the plug, and then with your thumb push down to release the plug, like so. Got the plug, tail plug. And you twist your headlight bulb out, or to righty tighty, lefty loosey. Pull your bulb out, you inspect it. Check so it's good. Again, remember, if you're going to replace it, don't touch the glass. with anything bare hand, you're going to want to use your gloves or touching, and if you can, avoid touching the glass at all times. So new bolt goes in there, you twist till you hear a click, then you plug in your taillight connector. So find your headlamp backing cover. Make sure it's in place and twist it in. And that's how you place your headlight.